Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to incorporate AI into your business. Firstly, understand AI's capabilities and limits. AI can be used for scheduling, forecasting, automation, resource management, reporting, and cybersecurity. Some AI types like supervised learning and supervised learning, which finds patterns without labeled data, reinforcement learning, and deep learning, which is used in NLP like chatbots, voice assistants, and computer vision like facial recognition. The limits are AI still needs human oversight for creativity, ethics, judgment, and complex coding. Now define clear goals. Decide what problem AI should solve, like cost reduction, time saving, customer service, etc. You can use business frameworks like SWOT, VRIO, or force field analysis. Set smart goals like specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, reduce claims processing time from 20s to 3 seconds by Q1 with 2026 with 30% cost reduction. Check if your company has the resources to adopt AI, like talent, budget, data, infrastructure, and employee training, so you can prepare staff to work with AI tools. Just start small and plan to scale. Begin with a pilot project, test AI on small specific tasks first, learn from mistakes and adjust. Then keep a long-term AI adoption blueprint in mind and don't focus only on isolated quick wins. Prepare for company-wide scaling. After successful pilots, expand AI step by step, continuously monitor and refine algorithms, build strong data governance and cybersecurity, and encourage an AI-driven culture within your company. In short, just learn AI basics, set clear goals, check your readiness, and start small with pilots, and scale, then refine for excellence. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.